Know something? Listen to your body's signals. They may be telling you more than you think. I had lemongrass, tulsi, and ginger tea while sitting in the lawn in the morning. Light sprouts and fruit chaat with foot kakri, which my brother sent for me. Then a plate of simple lunch. Late in the evening was really amazing with my favorite kala chana and nutrient kebabs, along with refreshing jaw water in which I squeezed lemon along with pudina, bhuna jeera, and black salt. In the dinner, I just had jaw dalia, sweet jaw dalia. So must say, love yourself and help others. Thank you.